focus on the markets as they reversed their 5-day losing streak and ended with marginal gains today. It was the mid-caps that outperformed, and the Nifty Bank too was pretty muted through the session. We ended at 91.36 for the Sensex, up by about 85 points, with names like GAIL, Adani Ports and BOB holding out in the session. Let's get an Aisha Faridi who joins in with a wrap of all the market action. Aisha, good session by the end of it. We managed to hold on to 9100.
The broader markets were on a tear, really. They had a great session. In fact, the small cap index managed to close at the highest point in the day. That was the case with the mid caps as well. And that having said, from the start of today's trading session, there was that streak of outperformance as opposed to what the benchmark indexes were doing. Having said that, the Nifty movers with the likes of Grasim, GAIL, BOB, Indiabulls Housing Finance, they all held out. But from the broader markets, the gainers were far and many. So start off, of course, with the aviation pack. Considering the market share data and the load factor data for the quarter gone by was extremely impressive, a growth of about overall 19%. Interglobe Aviation, SpiceJet, Jet, they all held out very smartly. India Cements, irrespective of news that perhaps there's going to be a probe on that steep cement price hike that we've seen in the Telangana region. This was one stock which continued to hold out, 7% uptick coming in. And this one, you also had Sun TV after a slew of brokerages actually upgraded the stock and the target prices. AB Nuvo was another big mover in trade. Having said that, we could have done a lot better on the Nifty as well. While we've comfortably closed at the 9100 mark, Yes Bank was a clear eyesore after the NPAs doubled sequentially. Yes Bank, ICICI as well as Axis. So private banking was not all that supportive today. Aside of that, IRB infrastructure from the broader markets, Oil India and Concor as well, saw some red ticks coming in. But all in all, a great session. Let's see whether we can hold on to the gains come tomorrow as well.